Hello and welcome to Summer Bridge 2020 Fairy Tale Week with the Boys and Girls Club of the Piedmont. So today we're going to go over the second packet that we have coming out this week and how to answer it. So the first worksheet that we have is a graphing worksheet. So here we have to count how many of each item we have down here and then graph it on this little graphing organizer. So the first thing we have is this little bug. Looks like, I'm not sure what kind of insect it is, but let's see how many of those we have. There's 1, 2, I think there's only 2. So that means we need to copy 1 here and another one because we've counted 2. Okay, now mushrooms. How many mushrooms do we see? I see 1 mushroom, 2 mushroom, and this house is a mushroom, so we'll count that as well. So 3. So we need to put in 3, 2, 3. Okay, frogs. How many frogs do we see? I see 1 frog, and that's it. So we just need 1 mark right here. And flowers. How many flowers do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4, so that means we got to make 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me fix this so it's nice. Butterflies. How many butterflies do we see? I see 1, 2, 3 butterflies. So that means I need to graph 3 spots. 1, 2, and 3. And ladybugs. How many ladybugs do we see? 1, 2, 3 ladybugs. See any more? Nope. All right, so 3 ladybugs. 1, 2, and 3. And last but not least, bees. How many bees do we see? 1, 2. I only see 2, so we just need to graph 2 bees. 1, 2. So, which one had the most? So let's look at this chart. This one has 2, this one has 3, 1, this is 4, this is 3, this is 3, and this is 2. So the flowers has the most. There are the most flowers in this picture than there are other stuff. The least is the frog. There's only 1 frog. Alrighty, that was not too hard. Let's keep going to our next worksheet. Since we're doing fairy tales this week, we're going to be doing an organizer. Here it says, all stories are different, but every story has important details like characters, setting, and plot. Use this graphic organizer to show important details of your favorite fairy tale. So which fairy tale should we do? My favorite is Beauty and the Beast. Okay, so Beauty and the Beast. Who are the main characters? We have the Beast and we have Beauty. They're the main characters, and of course there's lots of other characters, but they're kind of the main characters. Settings, it takes place at the Beast's castle. Also takes place in the town, but the main setting is in the castle. Supporting characters, there's so many. We have Gaston, the bad guy. We have all the servants. There's so many of them. We have Belle's dad. Who else do we have? We'll have, and then the townspeople. But for the most part, oh yes, and then the witch from the beginning, who cursed him in the first place. And the problem is, the Beast did not treat the witch kindly, so she cursed him to die if he didn't find someone to love him despite how ugly and beastly he looks. Okay, solution. Oh, wait. Before the last petal from the rose falls. Okay, the solution. The beast tricks Belle's dad into bringing Belle to be his captive. Belle ends up falling in love with the beast and saves his life at the end. Okay, that's pretty easy, right? So we could do this with any fairy tale. So let's go down. What makes a fairy tale? Again, we have elements like royalty, magic, an evil character, talking animals, quest, special beginning and ending words. Okay, so we'll just use the one we just did, Beauty and the Beast. You guys can do the other ones. We're just going to do one, Beauty and the Beast. And royalty, yes, the beast is royal, is a prince. Okay, magic, yes, the witch cursed the beast along with all his servants, right? Evil character, Gaston, because Gaston comes and tries to kill the beast. And the witch, I guess, but she's not technically evil. Talking animals, no, but there are talking plates, cups, candles, etc. Because all the servants become those things. The quest, kind of, to make someone fall in love with the beast. Okay, special beginning and the end words. Yes, once upon a time, and then the end is, what happens? They lived happily ever after. Okay, so here you guys can create your own fairy tale if you want. We're not going to do this together, but you guys can do your own. Make sure that you have the good guys, the protagonists, the good guys, the antagonists, which are the bad guys. If you guys don't remember, here's the smiley face for the good guys, the sad face for the bad guys. You have to make sure there's a setting. So where does it happen and where does it happen and when it happens? An exposition. So what was the protagonist, the main character's life like in the beginning? What is the conflict between the hero and the villain or the antagonist? The climax. What is the turning point of the story? And the resolution. How does the story end? Happy, sad, or silly? So you guys can do that on your own, and you can use this page to write out your fairy tale. We're going to go down here and do this true or false subtraction, and then we'll end it for today. So the instruction says, look at the equations. Write the answer for each subtraction and find out if the equations are true or false. Check the correct square box for each equation. Okay, so 13 take away 3 is 10. And 18 take away 9 is 9. So that one is, let's insert a shape. That one happens to be false. Oops, I'll just make it bigger. Control copy, control paste. That one is false because 10 is not equal to 9. All right, 15 take away 6 is, what is 15 take away 6? 9. And 10 take away 1 is 9. So 9 equals 9. That is true. So we're going to check off the true box. Okay, 19 take away 4 is 15. And 16 take away 2 is 14. So that one is false, because 15 is not equal to 14. 16 take away 8 is 8. 12 take away 4 is 8. That one is true. So mark that true off. 12 take away 7 is 5. And 10 take away 5 is 5. So that one is true. Oops. Move. There it goes. Okay, so we have 14 take away 3 is 11. And 13 take away 2 is 11. Ooh, that one's also true. So we're going to mark the true. 17 take away 8 is 9. And 11 take away 3 is 8. So that one is false. Whoop, that one got all the way up there. Moving to the false. Last one. 18 take away 5 is 13. And 15 take away 2 is 13. So 13 and 13, which is true. So let's mark true. All right, so make sure that your answers match this. And we're not going to finish the rest of the packet, but we'll finish it later. Thank you guys for joining us today.